right, everybody, we're on the road. We're on our way to the second meetup spot. It's in the northern part of Utah, and there we'll catch up with the rest of the group, and then we're gonna head to Idaho and just test our luck, see if somebody can win some money, see if somebody's gonna buy everybody a Hellcat. Obviously, we're gonna drive through Sardine Canyon. You're gonna get to see all the nice views from that drive. All the fall colors are blooming right now. It's so pretty, and I hope you guys enjoy this. And then we'll see you at the next meetup spot. So we made it to the second meetup spot, and we're waiting on a few more cars. Then we're headed to Idaho to see who's gonna get lucky and bring home some big money from this lottery run. We even got a Corvette joining us on this run. We got Demons, Hellcats, Scat Packs. It's gonna be an awesome run. We're gonna take you up through Sardine Canyon, get you some views of the nice scenery there, and then off to the Maverick gas station where we buy our lottery tickets. So see you in a bit. Unfortunately, mishaps, they happen. And on our trip to Idaho, I curb rashed my rim. So we are at Wheel Pro, and they're gonna hook me up, do the repairs on my rims, but let me show you what's going on first. Yeah, that is ugly and that bothers me. I can't deal with that. So, long story short, we're up in Idaho doing the lotto run, and I picked up a screw in my tire. So I was like, oh heck. So I went to a tire shop. They pulled it out, tested it for leaks. There was no leak. I was like, yes, awesome. Then when I was exiting the parking lot for the tire shop, I curb rashed the rim. I couldn't believe it. It just wasn't my day. It was just meant to be. But I found this company on Google Maps, Google search. They got great reviews, so they're gonna hook me up, repair my rim today. They said it should take like an hour and a half. I'll have all their links and information in the description. If this ever happens to you, you can come check them out and get your rim repaired. Yeah, we're gonna fix the white Hornet. So he's gonna have to take the rim off the car. This process can't be done with the rim on the cars for obvious reasons. And then he's gonna assess the damage, sand down the area of concern, and then the determination will be made if filler is needed or prep and paint. So I'm gonna be taking off the rim, and we'll get to you on the next step in just a sec. He's doing some prep work and gonna assess the damage and see how bad it is, how much work needs to be done to repair the rim. Yeah, but this is part 2 of the process. So what he's doing pretty much now, guys, is he's just sanding down the chip area on my rim. So far it's looking good, guys. So right now he's currently trying to match the paint to the rim. He did an awesome job sanding it down, so actually there's no filler needed on this rim repair, which is awesome for me. So we're gonna get the paint matched to the factory spec and start painting. Alright guys, so the rim is done, and I'll be honest with you, I cannot tell where I curb rashed it. Looks like a brand new rim. Awesome job, my man. So we're gonna throw this back on the car and then do a little summary of the company that fixed this. A brand new rim from Dodge for this car is $1,500, and I am shocked about how cheap it was to repair it. I'm not going to tell you what they charged me because everybody's situation is different, but outstanding job. If you have some kind of damage to your rim, don't panic. You don't have to get a new rim. Come check these guys out. They're probably going to be able to repair it. Remember, it's Wheel Pro. They're in Linden, Utah. I'll have all their links and address, phone number, all that will be in the description of the video. So if you curb your rim, scratch your rim, chip your rim, bend your rim, you name it, they can repair it. And you don't have to try to take the rim off your car, bring it here, leave it for a few days. They probably can fix it same day. So keep that in mind. I was worried about that, but they were able to do this in about an hour. I was shocked, and the outcome was outstanding. So kudos to Wheel Pro. This is DJ. I'm out of here. Remember to like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.